With the latest software update, the HomePod has become a lot more useful for calling and messaging. In this video, I'll show you how. But first, I want to say hi, my name is Craig. Here I do tech tips and reviews along with the weekly Echo series. Check out the description, I'll put links in there so you can learn more about the HomePod. Also, there's an Amazon link in there if you want to help support the channel. Since I can't change the name of my HomePod, you might get the occasional "Hey Siri," but I'll do my best to mute it. The HomePod and Siri have been way behind Amazon Echoes and Alexa. But this latest software update brings something that the Echoes lack and Google Assistants lack. You can now, as an iPhone user, make phone calls, receive phone calls, and even check your voicemails. That, along with using Apple's messages, you can send and receive text. This is a big update for Apple users. Let's take a look at calling. I'm gonna call my cell phone. So my phone's ringing. I just say, "Hey Siri, answer the phone." Hello?
Hello?
Can you hear me?
Can you hear me?
This is pretty cool.
Pretty cool.
I'm using the HomePod to talk. To hang up, I just say, "Hey Siri, hang up." To call my home phone, I just say, "Hey Siri, call home."
Just to confirm, you'd like to call home?
Yes.
Calling now.
And there's my iPhone making the call, showing it's coming from the HomePod. Hello?
Hello?
See? Right there.
Right there.
Right through the HomePod.
Right through the home.
Right through the HomePod.
Right through the home.
Oh, I got a little bit of feedback. Hey Siri, hang up.
Hey Siri.
Now if I want to listen to voicemails that are on my phone, I can say, "Hey Siri, play my voicemails."
You don't have any new voicemail, but you do have one saved message. Here's your saved voicemail message from home, left at 3:07 p.m.
Just trying to see how this works out.
Would you like to call back or play the message again?
Call back.
Calling now.
There you go. The call's coming from my cell. We'll just stop that "Hey Siri, hang up." That's calling. Answering phone calls, making phone calls, and checking voicemails. So let's look at messaging. "Hey Siri, send a message to Craig Polson."
What do you want to say?
Testing this out to see if it works.
Your message to Craig Poulsen says testing this out to see if it works. Ready to send it?
Yes.
Okay, it's sent.
And right there is my message saying testing this to see if it works. Let's listen to that message. "Hey Siri, what messages do I have?"
Craig Poulsen sent you a new message, testing this out to see if it works. Would you like to reply?
Yes.
What do you want to say?
Yes, it is working. I'm really surprised that this feature is now available.
Your message says, "Yes, it is working. I'm really surprised that this feature is now available." Ready to send it?
Yes.
Okay, it's sent.
And there's my message from using Siri. "Hey Siri, what are my new messages?"
You have new messages from Cheryl Poulsen and Craig Poulsen. Cheryl Poulsen said, "Warp wall." Would you like to reply?
No, thank you. It's playing my messages through the Apple Message app. That's a good look at messaging. Sending them, receiving them, having them played back for you. Good stuff. I like it. I think this is a great step in the right direction. I hope they continue to make improvements on the HomePod, but being able to send text messages through Apple Messages and make and receive phone calls, this is huge for iPhone users. So let me know your thoughts. I have a question for you. Do you use a HomePod? Or are you more likely to now get a HomePod since you could do calling and messaging? Let me know in the comments section. If you like this video, please hit that like button. If you haven't, please consider subscribing and click that bell to be notified of future videos. If you'd like to help support the channel, check out the Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it, use it, and Amazon will kick us back a little. I appreciate you taking the time to watch us. Thank you and have a great day. Bye.